Now we will study about ancient literature and literature. Okay, their literature and their writer. Okay, and these are the theory you can read from this, but we will cover from this question answer through the reverse engineering. It is very effective. Okay, so first is the title Father of History rightly belongs to Herodotus. He is called the father of history. The Greek author, 1 minute. This The Greek author Herodotus is often known as the father of history. His famous book Historica describes the Indo-Persian relations during 5th century BC. Match list first with list second. Ashtadhyayi was written by who wrote? It's written by Panini. Ashtadhyayi. Mahabharata written by Patanjali. Okay? Nirukta written by which wrote? Yes, Ka. Vartika written by Katyayam. Okay. Arrow 2017 they asked this. So Ashtad, it's very important. They ask question often from these topics that writer in their books. Whatever I'm marking, that's very important. So you can remember only those things. You can't remember everything. Just remember because we are human beings. So only remember those things. So Ashtadhyayi is Panini, important. So Mahabharata written by Patanjali, important. Okay. So Nirukta written by Yaska, okay, and Vartika written by Katyayan. Who of the following was writer of Mudra Rakshas? Everybody know Visakh Okay. Mudra Rakshas written by Visakh is a drama in Sanskrit. Although written during the Gupta period, it describes how Chandragupta Maurya, with the assistance of Kautilya, overthrew the Nandaj. It also gives a picture of the socio-economic condition under the Mauryas. Okay. Who was the author of Mudra Rakshas? It is Visakh Which of the following classical works of the literature were written during the Gupta period? Which one written during Gupta period? Definitely, this is not. Amarkos Kamsud Meghdut. Meghdut written by Gupta period. Amarkos also. So 1 and 3. Let's see. So the 1, 2, 3, and 4. All of them are written during this period. Mudra Rakshas, okay, and Meghdut and Kamsut and Amarkos. Okay. So Sanskrit literature reached its apogee in the Gupta period. That's why the Gupta age was called Golden Age. This era is known for equal writing of prose and poetry. Amarkos by Amar Singh. Amarkos written by Amar Singh. Kamsutra by Vasayan. Meghdutam by Kalidas. Mudra Rakshas by Visakh Okay, just know these are the important books. Das Kumar Charitam was composed by Dandin. Right? Surda written. Sursagar, Sursaravali, Sahit Lairi. Dandini wrote Das Kumar Charitam. Tulsidas wrote Ramcharitmanas, Vinay Patrika, Kavitavali. Kalidas wrote Abhigyan Sakuntalam. Kumar Sambhavam, Malvikagnamitra. This is very important. Remember this. Kalidas, whatever wrote. They asked many times. Who wrote Das Kumar Charitam? Dandin. Kumar Sambhava, an epic poem, was composed by Kalidas. Kumar Sambhava. Which of the following drama were not written by Kalidas? Kalidas wrote Malvikagnamitra. It is the story of, Malvikagnamitra. Agnimitra was the son of founder of Sunga dynasty, Pushyamitra Sunga, and Malvika was a daughter of traders. So it is the love story of both of them. Okay. Written by Kalidas. Abhigyan Sakuntalam Kalidas, Kumar Sambhavam Kalidas, Janki Harnam not written by Kalidas. Okay. Janki Harnam was written by Kumar Das. Okay. Which one of the following books is not written by Kalidas? It is Uttar Ramcharitam, not written by Kalidas. Uttar Ramcharitam. Uttar Ramcharitam is a Sanskrit play in 7 acts describing the life of Lord Rama. Okay, it was written by great poet Bhavabhuti. Bhavabhuti wrote Uttar Ramcharitam in Sanskrit. Bible book of North Indian classical music is related to Natya Shastra. Yeah. Bible book. The Bible of North Indian classical music is a Natya Shastra. It is a Sanskrit treatise on the performing arts. It is attributed to Bharat Muni. Natya Shastra written by Bharat Muni. So here Panini what wrote? Ashtadhyayi. Ashtadhyayi written Panini. Chanakya wrote Arthashastra. Kalnan wrote Rastarangini. And Vatsayana wrote Kam Sutra. Okay. So you can match it. Panini, ये third, only one option A. पाणिनि अष्टाध्यायी वात्सायन कामसूत्र चाणक्य अर्थशास्त्र कलन राजतरंगिणी. What is the name of Kalidas book? It is Kallan book, Kallan Rajtarangini. Rajtarangini, written by Kallan, is associated with which of the following? Is history of Kashmir. Rajtarangini. Kallan Kashmiri was the author of Rajtarangini, River of King, which gives an account of the history of Kashmir. Ashtadhyayi was written by Panini. Ashtadhyayi. Okay. A historical work Godavaho like Kalnanaj Rajtarangini was written by Vakpati. Godavaho is a Prakriti poem composed by Vakpati, a poet living in the court of Yasovarman, king of Kannauj. A poem gives a detailed description of the Vijay of Yasovarman. Godavaho written by Vakpati. Then match is Harsa. Harsa wrote three things, three books. PNR, okay. Priyadarshika, okay. Nagananda, and Ratnavali. So Nagananda written by Harsa. B is 4. So 2 options removed. Kalidas wrote. What Kalidas wrote? Malvikagnit. Just I told this. So C is third. Where C is third? Wait. Kalidas wrote Bharvi Kiratarjunia, age 2, this one. And Harsa wrote 1 minute. Kalidas wrote Malvikagn Mitram. So C is third. Yes, C is third here given. And Bharvi wrote Kiratarjunia. A is third. Wait, yeah. Bharvi wrote Kiratarjunia. So here A should be 2. Yes, here given. Yes, A is third here. Okay. Remember this. Okay. A is Bharvi should be 2. Here 2. Okay. So this is the correct. Kalidas wrote Malvikagni. So third here is there. And Harsa wrote Nagananda. So B is 4 here given. So Rajsekhar Karpur Manjari is first. Okay. So Bharvi wrote Kiratarjuniyam, Harsha Nagananda, Kalidas Malvikan Mitra, Rajsekhara Karpur Manjari. Who wrote the book Kiratarjuniyam? It is Bharvi. Okay. BPSC 2022, remember, it's important. Bharvi wrote Kiratarjuniyam. Kiratarjunia is an epic poem by Bharvi, considered the most powerful poem in Sanskrit. Remember this language Sanskrit. Kiratarjunia written in Sanskrit. In ancient time, mostly books were written in Sanskrit. So remember these things. It consists of the cantos describing the combat between the Arjuna and Lord Shiva in the guise of the Kirata or mountain dwelling hunter at Kiladris hills. Which of the following Sanskrit works has taken up their theme from Mahabharata? Which one? Shishpalavad. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. Das Kumar Charita is the war of 10 kings described Das Kumar Charita, not the Mahabharata. Okay. So Naisidhi Charita is Mahabharata. Kiratarjuna related Mahabharata. Shishpalavad related with Mahabharata, like Lord Krishna did kill this Shishpal. Right. Naisidhya Charita is a story of Nalla and Damayanti in the Mahabharata, written by Sri Harsha. Kiratarjunia is an epic poem describing combat between Arjuna and Lord Shiva. Okay. Lord Shiva in the Mahabharata. Magha wrote Shispal Vad, which is based on the Mahabharata, in which Shispal insulted Lord Krishna. Okay, like Lord Krishna said that if you cross the limit of 100, okay, so you will be killed. Okay? So Lord Krishna tolerate many things, but he crossed some limits, so Lord Krishna killed him. Who behaved him on ensuing duel, and Das Kumar Charitam was written by Dandi. Dandi wrote Das Kumar Charitam, related to adventures of ten princes war. Match list first with second. Visagdat written mathematics, no drama. Visagdat drama. Okay. Varamir medicine. Maramiri astronomy. Charaki medicine. Okay. Brahmagupta is mathematician, very famous. So C will be the answer. The Mudra Racha is a historical drama in Sanskrit by Visakha Dutt. Mudra Racha written by Visakha Dutt. VMW, VM. Okay, Visakha Dutt wrote Mudra Rachas. Varamhi was a renowned Indian astronomer. Brihat Jatak, Brihat Samhita and Panch Siddhantika are some of his leading literary works. Charak was the famous court physician of Kanishka. He is known for his composition Charak Samhita. Charak was famous physician of Kanishka, and Charak Samhita, his composition. Brahmagupta was an Indian mathematician. Again, match Charak was related to medicine. Age 2, only one option. BPSC 2023. Age option. Charak was a physician who was believed to have lived during 1st-2nd century, although exact date of birth was not, and death is uncertain. During Kanishka period, he lived here. We tell now Charak during the Kanishka period. Wait. Yes, yeah, Kanishka, na? Charak was court physician. So exact date of birth is uncertain. Brahmagupta belonged to Gupta dynasty and was a renowned astronomer and mathematician. Varamhir was an astrologer, and Vaisakh Dutt was a playwright during Gupta period, Gupta dynasty. Remember this Vaisakh Dutt, Mudra Racha's playwright. Charak Samhita is related to which of the following subjects? It's medicine. Charak Samhita is a comprehensive text on ancient Indian medicine known as Ayurveda. It was written by Acharya Charak, who is known as father of Indian medicine. Okay. Charak Samhita is divided into how many chapters and sections? It is 120 chapters and 8 sections. UPPCS 2023. Okay. Charak Samhita 120 chapters, 8 sections. Charak is a renowned author of the oldest surviving text in Ayurveda and Charak Samhita. Its contents are divided into 120 chapters and 8 sections. So deep they asked. Which of the following is not written by Varamhir? It is Amarkos, not written by Varamhir. Wrote Panch Siddhantika, Brihat Samhita, Brihat Jatak. Okay. Amarkos was written by Amar Simha. Varamhir has written Panch Siddhantika, Brihat Samhita and Brihat Jataka. Amarkos written by Amar Simha. Panch Siddhantika of Varamhir is based upon Greek astronomy. Panch Siddhantika of Varamhir is based on Greek astronomy. Niti Sara, an early book of the politics, was written by Kamandak. Okay, Niti Sara, written by Kamandak and asked by BPSC 2023. Okay. Niti Sara was written by Kamandak. Important. It refined the field of political thought in India and became one of the most influential works in the genre across South and Southeast Asia. Which of the following not correctly matched? Which one not correct? Kalidas wrote Raghuvansa, correct. Bhasa wrote Sapna Vasavdatta. And Harsa wrote, everybody knows this, but Subhandhu wrote Kadambari is not correct. So C will be the answer. Okay, Kadambari was composed by Ban Bhatt. Okay, Ban Bhatt wrote Kadambari, not Subhandhu. Okay. Milind Pana is a Pali text. Milind Pana is a Buddhist book in a Pali language which purports to be dialogue between Indian monks. Nagsen, not Nagarjuna. Nagsen, Indo-Greek king Milind. Remember this. Okay. Buddhist text Milind Pana throw light on which Indo-Greek ruler? Menander. Milind Pana is in form of dialogue between King Menander and Buddhist monk Nagasen, not Nagarjun. Remember this. Okay? Not Nagarjun. This is asked this year also, last one time or 3 times, 2 to 3 times they asked this. Milind Pana is in the form of dialogue between King Milind and Buddhist and Nagsen. Again, Nagarjun is wrong. Okay. EBPC 2023, important. Milind Pana is based on the question of King Milind. In which language was it written? Pali Buddhist text. So that's why Pali. Uttarakhand PCS 2024. Where Buddhism comes, Pali language comes. Prakrit also. The religious text which explains about 8 different phases of agriculture works is Milind Pana. Milind Pana, written by Buddhist monk Naksen, is religious text that explains about the 8 different phases of agriculture work. Book is written in the Pali language and comprises of conversation between Naksen and Indo-Greek ruler Menander. Milind Pana, written by Naksen. Which of the following pair incorrectly matched? So, which is Prithviraj Raso written by Chandabardai, Bisal Dev Raso, Narpati, Kusuman Raso, Karnidan, wrong. Satrusal Raso, Dungar Singh, Prithviraj Raso, Chandabardai, Basiddev Raso, Narpat, Kusum Raso, Dalpati Vijay, not Karnidev, and Satrusal Raso, Dungar Singh is very specific to Rajasthan. With reference to Indian history, consider the following text. Okay, which is Jain text? They're asking which is Jain text. Okay. So, Neti Prakarana, it is Buddhist text. Prasist Paravan, it is Jain text. Then Avadana Satka, it is Buddhist text. And Trisasti Lakshana Mahapurana, it is Jain text. So, 2 and 4. B. ISP 2022. Persist Paravan by Hemchandra. Persist Paravan by Hemchandra. Remember this. And Trisasti Lakshana Mahapurana by Govind Rai or Chamund Rai are Jain text. While Neti Pakrana and Avadan Satak are Buddhist text. Okay. Neti Pakaran and Avadan Satka are Buddhist text. Okay. These are the important things in this. So now match list first with second. Amir Khusro and Kalidas. Kalidas, we know this first one. Hari Sen, Samudragut, Banvat, Arsarit, Harsvardhan, Amir Khusro, Alauddin Khilji. Simple. So B will be the answer. Chandragupta second. Kalidas was court poet. Kumar Sambhavam he wrote. Raghuvamsam court. Malvikas Mitram wrote. Samudragupta Hari Sen related. Harsvardhan Banvat was court poet. Alauddin Khilji, Amir Khusro was court poet. Okay. Contemporary ruler of Kalnan, the author of Raj Tarangini was Jai Singh. Jai Singh. The author of Raj Tarangini was contemporary Jai Singh. Jai Singh 1128 to 1149 was the contemporary ruler of Kalnan from Kashmir. Kalnan was the author of Raj Tarangini and he completed his pioneer creation during the reign of Jai Singh. Raj Tarangini was a collection of 8 Taranga and 7826 verses. The conventional ancient history of Kashmir is narrated in the first 3 Taranga. How many Tarangas are in the Raj Tarangini of Kalnan? 8 Tarangana. Okay. Who among the following continued the Raj Tarangini of Kalnan? Jona Raja and Sriwara. Raj Tarangini, a metrical historical chronicle of northwestern Indian subcontinent, particularly the king of Kashmir, was written in Sanskrit by Kashmiri Brahman Kalnan. In the 12th century, Jona Raja continued the narration down to the reign of Sultan Jainul Abidin and called it like Kalnan Raj Tarangini Rajawali. After the death of Jona Raja, his people Sriwara continued his history of Kashmir. Okay. Saundar Nanda was the composition of Ashwaghosh. Ashwaghosh, a noted poet, he is considered to be instrumental in the propagation of Buddhism. He was also the writer of famous court poem of his time called the Saundar Nanda Kavya. Okay? Saundar Nanda Kavya. Ashwaghosh. Naganand Ratnavali and Pridaska, I told you na PNR technique. PNR. Okay, population national register, you can see. So PNR, remember like Priyadarshika, Nagananda, Ratnavali, Priyadarshika, Nagananda and Ratnavali. So written by Harsavardhan, very important, remember this. Besides being a great conqueror, a religious-minded and generous king, Harsavardhan was also a great patron of education and learning. He is supposed to be the author of Ratnavali, Priyadarshika and Nagananda. Which of the following works were authored by Harsa? Harsa wrote PNR, remember this. So Priyadarshika, Nagananda and Ratnavali. Simple. Harcharita wrote by Banbhat. So 1, 2 and 3. D, C. 1, 2 and 4. Okay. B will be the answer. So which among the following play was written by Harsavardhan? Simple. PNR. Priyadarshika. Okay. D. Among the 4 works mentioned below, which one is the encyclopedia in nature? Brihad Samhita. Brihad Samhita Varamir. Remember the Brihad Samhita written by Varamir is an encyclopedia work written during the Gupta period. With reference to the history of the ancient India, Bhavabhuti, Hastimalla and Chemeswara were famous. For which playwright? It is UPSC question 3. Okay. Remember this. Bhavabhuti, Hastimalla and Chemeswara were playwright. Okay. Bhavabhuti, a major dramatist of the later Sanskrit dramatic period, was the court poet of the king Yashovarman of Kannauj in North India 8th century CE. The works attributed to poet Bhavabhuti were Mahavira Charitam, depicting the early life of Rama, Malati Madhav, a play based on the romance of Malati and Madhav, and Uttaram Charitam. Hastimalla is a Kannada poet and playwright during the reign of Vaisala. Chemeswara 990, okay, was an 11th century Sanskrit poet from Kashmir in India. One of the important works attributed to him was the Savatar Charitam. Which of the following pairs are correctly matched? Which one is correctly matched? Mrichkatika, Sudrak, everybody know. Okay. Visakdatt Road, Mudra Rakshas, BMW. Here, Mrichkatika, Sudrak. Okay. Buddha Charita, it is not. It is Banabhat, na? Buddhacharya, it is na Visakdatt, na? Visakdatt Road, Buddhacharya, not Vasubandhu. So wrong. Mudrachas is Visakdatt, Harsha is Banabhat. So 1, 3 and 4 B. Easy question. Buddhacharita was not composed by Vasubandhu. In fact, it is a poetry narrative of the life of Buddha by Sanskrit poet Ashwaghosh wrote Buddhacharita. Remember this, Ashwaghosh. Other correct. With reference to the scholar literature of ancient India, consider the following statement. Panini associated with the Pussamit Sunga. Okay. So which is the statement? Right, not Pussamit Sunga. Amar Simha is Gupta associated with the Harsavardhan. Which one? No, wrong. Kalidas is associated with Chandragupta II. Everybody know Vikramaditya third is correct. Chandragupta II was known for his deep interest in art and culture, and 9 gems are Navaratna during Chandragupta II. Great poet Kalidas was most prominent Ratna. Amar Simha was a lexicographer and was also among the Navaratna. Patanjali was associated with Pushyamitra Sunga, while Panini belongs to the probably 6th-7th century BC. He wrote Ashtadhyayi. Okay, Patanjali during Pushyamitra Sunga. Match first, will second. Author and test. Varamir, Visakdatt. Okay, and here Sudrak Mrichkatika. Okay, Varamir, Brihad Samhita. So what is correct? Billan, Rajtarangini. Okay, Vikramanka Dev Charita also he wrote. Okay, Kallan Rajtarangini. So Varamir is Brihad Samhita. Visakdatt is Devi Chandraguptam he wrote. Visakdatt, Devi Chandraguptam. And Mudra Rakshas also he wrote. And Mrichkatikam is written by Sudrak. Billan is Vikramanka Dev Charit. Billan. Okay. Kallan wrote Rajtarangini. So Devi Chandraguptam is not be linear. Okay. So what is asked is wrong. So Milind Panna, not Nagarjun, it Nagsen, it's wrong. So only two is correct. Devi Chandraguptam is not written by him. It's Visakha Datta wrote, no? Just here. This question was asked in IS 1997. Here again they asked this IS pre. Okay, so only two is correct. Hamir Mahakavya, Naya Chandrasuri, and Niti Vakamrit Somdev Suri. If you know only these two, so still you can reach your answer easily. So only two. देवी चंद गुप्ता विशाख दत्त हमीरा महाकाव्य नायाचंद सूरी मिलिंद पन्ना नागसेन नीति वकामृत सोमदेव सूरी. Okay. Which among the following sources throw light on the history of Parmar dynasty? Which one? All of the above. Yeah. So it is Navsankhacharya Padmagupta, Prabandha Charitani of Meritunga, Udaipur Prasasti. All of them are correct. Parmar dynasty where Bhoj were there. The sources that shed light on the history of Parmar dynasty are Navsasank Charit of Padmagupta, Prabandha Chintamani of Merutunga, Arsola copper plate inscriptions of Siyaka II, Bhoj record of Baswara and Betma, Udaipur Prasasti of Udaybit period, etc. In Navsasank Charit, Mount Abu is described as origin place of Parmaraj. Which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? So, Karpur Manjari, it's not Harshvardhan. Okay. Karpur Manjari, not written by Harshvardhan. It's written by Rajsekhar. Okay. Harshvardhan wrote PNR, na? Vidarshika Nagananda and Ratnavali. So it's wrong. So it's asking this. Malvi Agnimitra Kalidas, Mudraksha Visakh Sundar Nanda, suppose. So Karpur Manjari, written by Rajsekhar. Poet Larius of Gurjapatiyar. Who wrote Sakuntalam? Kalidas, very famous. Kalidas was a Sanskrit poet and dramatist and probably the greatest Indian writer of any epoch. The 7 works identified as genuine are Abhigyan Sakuntalam, remember this, Abhigyan Sakuntalam, Vikramormasiyam, Malvikagnitram, Raghuvamsam, Pumarsambhavam, Magdutam, and Ritusamhara. Which one of the following? Which one of the following is not a literary masterpiece of Kalidas? Kalidas wrote many good books, but which one not? This is not. Meghdootam he wrote, Vikramormasiyam he wrote, Ritusamhara wrote. Mrichkatikam was not a literary work of Kalidas. It was occupied by Sudrak. Mrichkatikam, okay? By Sudrak, Mrichkatikam. Okay? Mudrarakshas by Visakha BMW. Yeah, Mrichkatika by Sudrak. The protagonist of the play Malvikagnimitra. Malvikagnimitra written by Kalidas is Pustamit Sungasan Agnimitra. Okay. The first play composed by the great poet Kalidas is Malvikagnimitra. Often it is called Kalidas Malvikagnimitra. Malvikagnitram as an honor of Kalidas. This play consists of 5 acts about the love story of King Agnimitra of Vidsa from the Sunga dynasty. Which one of the following books of ancient India has the love story of the son of the founder of Sunga dynasty? Malvikagnimitra. Okay. The author of Swapna Vasavdat is Bhasa. Swapna Vasavdat is a Sanskrit play written by great poet Bhasa wrote Swapna Vasavdat. Which one of the following is a work attributed to the playwright Bhasa? It is Madhyam Vayog. ISP 2024 hours. Okay. Bhasa wrote attributed to the playwright Bhasa is Madhyam Vayog. The Sanskrit play Madhyam Vayog is attributed to the Bhasa. Kavyalankara was written by Bhamaha. Natya Shastra is a detailed handbook on dramatic arts that deals with all aspects of the classical Sanskrit theatre. It is traditionally attributed to Bharat Muni. Okay, Natya Shastra by Bharat Muni. Mahabhasya was written by Patanjali. Mahabhasya written by Patanjali. If you know this, Natya Shastra written by You know it. Okay. Bharat Muni, not Sath, and Mahabhas written by Patanjali. So you can eliminate this. So now Kavya Lankara and 50-50 you can do. Madhyam Viva Yoga you can reach. Who is the author of Great Govind? Okay. UPSC wants that you should know these two things. Okay, mainly. Then you can reach easily this answer. Who is the author of Great Geet Govind? It is Jaydev. Jaydev is the author of Geet Govind. Geet Govind is an epic poem written in Sanskrit by Jaydev. So, Geet Govind in Sanskrit by Jaydev. Jaydev was a royal poet in the court of King Lakshman Sen of Bengal. It is organized in 12 chapters. Okay. The whose court was embellished by Jaydev, composer of Geet Govind, is Lakshman Sen. Who had composed the Geet Govind is Jaydev. Match first with second. Lilavati, maths related. Okay. Ashtang Samagra and Das Rupak. Okay. So which one? Yeah, Ashtang Samagra, medical related. Das Rupak play, Lilavati maths, Mahabhas grammar. Just know this. The right is to work only, but never with this fruit. This is stated in very famous the Gita, like you have seen a Parth, and like Arjun suggest this Lord Krishna are suggesting to Arjun. Okay, very famous Parth. The right is to work only. Thy right is to work only, but never with the fruit. These lines are stated in Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Okay, you should adapt it in your real life as well. Name the sources that is silent about the trade routes of ancient India. Sangam Sahitya. Okay. Sangam Sahitya is silent about trade routes of ancient India. Otherwise, all the talk about this. Sangam Sahitya is silent about the trade routes of ancient India. In which epic it was told what is here is also found elsewhere, but if not here is found nowhere else. It is Mahabharata. Which ancient Indian book has been translated into 15 Indian and 40 foreign languages? Panchtantra, Vishnu Sharma. Okay, very beautiful story here. Panchtantra is a collection of the Indian animals fables that has extensive circulation both in the country of its origin and worldwide. It has been translated into 15 Indian and 40 foreign languages. It was compiled in Sanskrit, okay, Hindi, Hindu, and Pali Buddhist. The compilation attributed to Pandit Vishnu Sharma. Okay? Remember this. In the Mughal era, it was translated by Abul Fazl under the name I.R.A. Danish. Panchtantra was originally written by Vishnu Sharma. Match list first, will list second. Kalnan written by Kalnan wrote Raj Tarangani. Day second. Where is given? B. Answer come by one option. So no one basic thing. Revise multiple time, no less, but it should not be wrong. You can reach answer easily and clear exam. So here Sarv Varma, Katantra, Sudrak Nichkatkam, Vigyanaswar, Mitakshara. Vigyanaswar Mitakshara. Kalnan Raj Tarangani. Just know only one thing basic you can do with this. Match first with second. Authors and works. Okay. So Himatri here given Adhachar. Okay, wait. T. Okay. So Devadana Bhatta is Smriti Chandrika. Okay, here. And Himatri is Chaturvanga Chintamani. Madhavacharya is Prahar Madhav. Okay, Madhav, you can conclude this like this. If C is 2, okay, here 50-50 you can do. Balal Sen is first down. Its name we can't remember everything, but still we can guess a little bit. You can reach Madhav here also. So we can reach here. UPSC 2024 given. So C is 2 here in 50-50 you can do, 50-50 you can do. Easily you can reach D will be the answer. Okay. So Devadana Bhatta, Smriti Chandrika, Himadri, Chaturvarga, Chintamani, Madhavacharya, Prasar Madhav, and Ballal Sen, Dan Sagar. Okay. With reference to the history of ancient India, which of the following statement is correct? Mitakshara was the civil law for upper caste and Deava was the civil law for lower caste. It's not correct. They interchange this. In the Mitakshara system, the sons can claim right to the property during the lifetime of father, whereas in the Bhaga system it is only after the death of father that sons can claim right to property. Correct. The Mitaksara system deals with the matter related to the property held by the male member only of a family, only stream option. So two you can remove two option. Okay. Where the Bhaga system deals with the matters related to property held by both male and female of a family. So answer will be B. IS 2021. Mitakshara is a Vivarti on a Yagnawalk Smriti written by Vijneswaram. The Bhaga is a Hindu law treaty written by Jimutwana. This treaty deal with the law and inheritance. So first is wrong. Okay. So how they change this? Just see. Mitakshara no? By Yagna Smriti written in Vijneswara. The Bhaga is Hindu law. Okay. Not civil law. Okay. This state deal with the laws of inheritance, not caste. It is inheritance they are talking about. Okay. So you can read like this. In Mitakshara system, the sons can claim right to property during the lifetime of the father, whereas the Bhaga system, it is only after the death of father that the son can claim right to property. Mitakshara system deals with the matter related to the property held by both male and female members of the family. Okay, Mitakshara held by both male and female. Here interchange this. While the Bhaga only deals with the matter related to the property held by male members. Okay. Who are the following is especially known for his contribution in the field of algebra? Bhaskar. Bhaskaracharya is also known as the Bhaskara II, represents a significant contribution to the mathematical and astronomical knowledge in the 12th century. There are 6 well-known works of Bhaskaracharya. Each book, Siddhant Shiromani written by Bhaskaracharya. His 4 parts, Lilavati, Bij Ganit, Algebra, Ganit Dhyaya and Gola Dhyaya. Remember these words, Bij Ganit, Algebra, Ganit Dhyaya and Gola Dhyaya. Author of Lilavati, Bhaskar II, was mathematician. Okay. B. Lilavati, a treatise on mathematics, was written by Bhaskaracharya. Aryabhatta was Indian mathematician and astronomer. Aryabhatta was a renowned mathematician and astronomer of ancient India. One of his major works was Aryabhatiya. The book deals with many topics like astronomy, spherical trigonometry, arithmetic, algebra, and plane trigonometry. In the field of astronomy, Aryabhatta was a pioneer to infer that the Earth is spherical and rotates on its axis around the Sun. He is also considered to be the father of trigonometry. Okay. Which one of the following father of trigonometry is Aryabhatta? Which one of the following Indian mathematician invented decimal place value? Aryabhatta. Okay. Decimal value. Aryabhatta, an Indian mathematician, discovered the decimal place. They ask sometimes this also. Who was the author of Mattavilas Prasana, important book? Mahendra Varman. Mahendra Varman wrote Mattavilas Prasana. Mattavilas Prasana was written by versatile Pallava ruler and scholar Mahendra Varman I, which described the social and religious life. Author of Lalit Vigraharaj drama was by Somadev. Rajasthan PCS. Ancient name Nilotpala of our Mahanadi was stated in Vayu-Puran. The ancient name Nilotpala for Mahanadi was stated in Vayu-Puran. Manusmriti mainly relates to the social system. Manusmriti is also known as the Mano Dharma Shastra and is mainly related to the social system. This is one of the 18 major Smriti. It is presumed that actual human author of this compilation used the eponym Manu, which has led text to the associated by Hindus. Okay. Actual human author of this compilation used the eponym Manu, which has led to the text associated by the Hindus with the first human being and the first king in the Indian tradition. Manu is also considered to be the originator of law in India. Okay. He one of the 18 major Smriti. It presumed that the actual human author of this compilation used the eponym Manu. It means he was different, but he considered Manu. Okay, it's related to Hindu law. The great lawgiver of ancient time is Manu. Who among the following is considered to be the first lawgiver in India? Manu. Simple. Whose composition is not Shastra? Simple. Is Bharat Muni. Remember this. Not Shastra written by Bharat Muni. Not Shastra was written by Bharat Muni. In ancient time, in ancient Indian tradition and performing arts covering drama, dance, and music, zero was discovered by an anonymous Indian, not Aryabhatta. Remember this. Okay. Zero was discovered by an anonymous Indian in 2nd century BC. Arabians learned it from India and spread it over Europe. It was found that Arabs first used zero in 873 AD. Okay, not Aryabhatta. It's anonymous Indians. Indian, remember, but it was Indian. Zero was invented by Indians. Which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? Life of Wen Song Wei. Correct. Natural history, not Ptolemy. Historical Philippical Pomius Trogus. The histories Herodotus. The natural history, the creation of the Pliny the Elder, the Pliny the Elder, the Roman author. Okay. Therefore, not correct. The most ancient musical instrument is given option Veena. Simple Saraswati has it. Veena is the most ancient musical instrument in the given option. It has been part of the Indian culture and music since ancient time, whereas sitar, sarod, and tabla, the musical instrument introduced in medieval era. Okay. Okay.